Hi, this is Drew from Skinny WordPress. It seems like short links have been around for quite a while now, and in the past I've used free link shortening services such as StumbleUponSuper and Bitly. I've even used Bitly's WordPress plugin, but for whatever reason they seem to have abandoned or at least stalled in their plugin's development recently. The other thing is that when you use Bitly's plugin, you are required to go through the additional steps of setting up a Bitly account and entering all of your super secret API numbers into the plugin in order for it to work. So recently I've started using a new plugin that allows you to not only automatically create short links that you can use to share on sites like Twitter and Facebook, but it also creates them using your own domain. Personally, I think that using your own domain is not only a bit classier and better for building your brand recognition, but by using your own domain, you're not handing over all of your links, or at least the shortened version of them, to someone else. Most people don't always realize that things are constantly changing, and if someday Bitly gets tired of providing everybody with free short links, they might decide to call it a day. Or maybe they'll get bought out by some other company, and now that company will own all of these little links that are floating around out there in cyberspace. And even if Bitly does just keep doing what it's doing, it's still way cooler to have your shortened links hosted on your own domain. Not only does it look cooler, but you will also have all of the click stats right there in front of you in your WordPress dashboard. So how do we do this? We're going to be using a free WordPress plugin called Short URL. Now, one thing you're going to have to notice here is that there is another plugin in the WordPress directory that is called Short URL, but hasn't been updated in over 3 years. So you want to make sure that you're not going to use this one. The one you want to use is this one here, which is by the author Said Lex. Now don't worry, I'll put a link to the correct plugin in the post below. So what this plugin does is to allow you to easily create Bitly style short links using your own domain. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard here. Now in order to save some time, I've already gone ahead and downloaded, installed, and activated this plugin. And over on our menu bar here, you'll see we have a new menu tab called SL Plugins. We're going to click on Short URL. Not only is it easy to use, but as you can see, as soon as you activate it, the plugin automatically goes through and creates short links for all of your website's posts and pages. It will also automatically track the number of clicks that each of these shortened URL links get over time. Now, as I said, this plugin works perfectly well right out of the box, but if you'd like to change any of the settings, we can click on the Parameters tab up here, and we'll be able to change the types of letters and or numbers used in your website's shortened links. You can also add a prefix to every shortened link and change the overall length of your link. It also gives you the option to remove the www in your domain name if you use it to begin with, in order to make your link even shorter. Also, you can choose whether or not you'd like this plugin to display your shortened links at the top or bottom of your post so your visitors can use them. Finally, it has a really nice feature where you can shorten links to other websites using your own domain name. All you need to do is to paste in the website URL into this box. We'll go to External Redirections. We'll grab a URL, copy it, simply paste it in this box, click the button, and it will automatically create a brand new short link for you. This is something that you can use for outside news stories, blog posts, or something else that you'd like to share on sites like Twitter. And then it will automatically track how many clicks your link is getting here. It's another great tool and another great plugin that you can use to help share your awesome content with the world.